Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you PlayStation Visa credit card review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, the PlayStation Visa credit card is a dedicated co-branded card designed specifically for passionate gamers who want to squeeze maximum value out of their digital entertainment budget. Now, issued with a flat $0 annual fee, so the entire concept of this card is to act as a multiplier for your gaming passion by turning everyday necessary expenses into free games, downloadable content, and hardware updates. Now, if you spend a decent amount of time on your console, the point stacking potential is incredibly generous. Now, you pull in a massive 5 points per dollar spent on any qualifying PlayStation or Sony purchases, which covers everything from pre-ordering a blockbuster title on the PlayStation Store to buying brand new consoles or a spare DualSense controller at an authorized retailer. Now, Sony also made sure that card serves you well outside of your gaming setup by targeting your regular monthly utility bills and lifestyle spending. Now, you earn a solid 3 points per dollar on all your streaming services, cable, and internet bills, which essentially rewards you just for keeping your home connected. Now, when you are taking a break to refuel here, you score 2 points per dollar at restaurants, including takeout and delivery services, while pulling in a baseline 1 point per dollar on absolutely every day or everything else you swipe for. Now, to kick things off, they traditionally included a sweet welcome offer of $100 statement credit after hitting a very low spending target in the first couple of months. Now, all those points feed directly into an online hub where you can redeem them seamlessly for PlayStation Store gift codes, physical gear, or exclusive gaming experience. Now, while the rewards potential is undeniably great for a dedicated fan, it does carry a couple of classic retail store card catches that require some discipline. Now, the points you earn are completely locked into the Sony ecosystem, so meaning you cannot cash them out into a traditional bank account to cover things like rent or non-gaming expenses. Now, the interest rates also tend to sit on the higher side, so you really have to commit to paying your statement down to zero every single month to ensure the interest charges don't eat into the value of your free video games. Now, the biggest and most critical piece of news right now, or you need to know about this specific card, is that Sony and its banking partner officially discontinued PlayStation Visa and completely shut down the entire Sony Rewards program. Now, because it was sunset, the card is no longer open for new application or active point accumulation. Now, if you are looking for a modern alternative to pull off a very similar trick today, your best strategy is to grab a standard flat rate 2% cashback card and pair it directly with the free digital PlayStation Stars loyalty program on your phone. Now, this lets you stack your credit card rewards with free gaming points, giving you the exact same high-yield gaming engine with way more real-world flexibility. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.